Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome to the series Essential Spanish for Beginners. Today we are going to learn the Spanish alphabet, or as it is called in Spanish, el abecedario. The Spanish alphabet is similar to the English alphabet, but with some unique sounds and a few special letters. In total, there are 27 letters, 5 vowels, and 22 consonants. Let's explore them one by one and understand how each letter sounds in Spanish. First, we will go through all the letters. I will tell you the pronunciation of each letter and give a word that starts with it. This is important because sometimes letters sound different in words, so you will get a clear idea of how to use them practically. Later in the video, we will understand the vowel sounds and also explore some special letters like ch and ay. Let's get started. Vamos. Pay attention to the pronunciation. A, amigo. B, burro. C, cielo, casa. D, día. E, escuela. F, familia. G, gente, gato. H, hola. I, iglesia. J, jugo. K, kilo. L, libro. M, mesa. N, nariz. N, niño. O, oso. P, pelota. Q, queso. R, ratón. S, sol. T, teléfono. U, uno. V, ventana. W, whisky. X, xilófono. Y, yo. Z, zapato. That's it. Now let's quickly go through them once again. This time please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Muy bien. Now let's focus on Spanish vowels. In Spanish, vowels have consistent sounds. Each vowel is pronounced the same way no matter where it appears in a word, unlike in English where one vowel can have multiple sounds. Let's see them one by one. A is pronounced as A like in the word father. Por ejemplo, amigo. A is pronounced as A like in the word bed. Por ejemplo, escuela. E is pronounced as E like in the word piano. Por ejemplo, iglesia. O is pronounced as O like in the word go. Por ejemplo, ojo. U is pronounced as U, like in the word glue. Por ejemplo, luna. Great. Now let's move on and explore some special sounds and letters in Spanish. The combination of letters C and H has the sound ch, just like ch in the word cheese. Por ejemplo, chico. H, when used without C, is always silent in Spanish, like in the word hola. The double L or ella usually sounds like the letter Y in yes. Por ejemplo, lluvia. The letter N has a unique sound, which is a combination of letters N and Y. Por ejemplo, niño. Muy bien, you have just learned all the letters of Spanish alphabet, el abecedario, along with how each one sounds. In the next video, we will dive deeper into Spanish pronunciation. If you found the video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. Hasta pronto!